NECO Mathematics 2024 Objective Questions 11 to 15. You have question 11. The 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 63. Find the first term if its common difference is 3. Let's take the solution. From the question, the 11th term t sub 11 is equal to 63. At this point, n is equal to 11. If you go on, the first term a is unknown. The common difference d is equal to 3. In order to get the first term, we use the nth term formula of an AP, given as t sub n equal to a plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close times d. We replace n with 11 and d first. So we have t sub 11 equal to a plus bracket open 11 minus 1 times 3. Now the 11th term is 63. You put 63 in place of t sub 11, okay, equal to a plus here is 10 times 3. We continue from here. 63 is equal to a plus 30. Collect like terms. 63 minus 30 equal to a. Therefore, the first term a is equal to 33. The correct option is D. Question 12. Evaluate 15 times 26 in modulo 5. We have solution. The given problem is 15 times 26 modulo 5. If you multiply 15 by 26, you have 390 modulo 5. Now, modulo 5 has 5 elements from 0 to 4, which means 390 is not an element in modulo 5. For us to have an element in modulo 5, you have to divide 390 by 5 and note the remainder. The remainder is the answer. So we have 390 divided by 5 modulo 5. That will give us 78. 78 remainder 0 in modulo 5. We are interested in the remainder. So the result is 0 modulo 5. The correct option is A. You have option A. Question 13. Solve 2 power 3s equal to 16 to the power of 3 over 4. We have solution. This is an exponential equation. We have 2 power 3s equal to 16 power of 3 over 4. If you check the bases 2 and 16, the lowest is 2. You can express 16 in base 2. That is 2 power 4. So we have 2 power 3s equal to 2 power 4. That is for 16 times the given power 3 over 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Divided by 4 is 3. In other words, 4 cancel 4. We have 2 power 3s equal to 2 power 3. This and this off. The bases are the same. You have to equate them. That means the bases will cancel off. The powers are remaining. That is 3s equal to 3. Divide both sides by 3 in order to get s. S is equal to 1. That is option E. Question 14. If Olu, Tony, and Tunde share 240,000 naira in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5 respectively, what is 2/3 of Tunde's share? Before the 2/3, we need Tunde's share. Okay, solution. Tunde's share is equal to Tunde's ratio. How is it 5? You look at the order of the names. Tunde is the third name. The third ratio is 5. Okay? Anytime we are sharing using ratio, the denominator of the fraction is always the sum of the ratios. So 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus 5, you have 10, times the amount of money to be shared. From here, 0 cancel 0. What is remaining is 5 times 24,000 naira. If you multiply, you have 120,000 naira as Tunde's share. Then 2/3, we have to get 2/3 of Tunde's share. Let's proceed with that. 2/3 of Tunde's share is equal to 2 over 3 times Tunde's share, that is 120,000. If you divide 120 by 3, you have 40. Multiplied by 2, that is 80,000. The correct option is B. Question 15. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order of magnitude. That is, in increasing order. 2 over 3, 3 over 5, 5 over 12, 4 over 15, 3 over 10. You have the various options. Solution. In order to do this easily, you have to find the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Then use the LCM to multiply each fraction to convert it to a whole number. After doing this, we use the whole number to arrange the fractions in ascending order. So let's get the LCM. I'm going to write the denominators in ascending order as well. So we have 3, 5 is there. We have 10 follows by 12 and 15. What we do here is that we divide the various numbers continuously until we get to 1. When dividing, we use only prime numbers. The first prime number that can divide is 2 because of 10 and 12. Divide 3 by 2 cannot. You bring it down. Divide 5 by 2 cannot. You write 5. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 15 divided by 2 cannot. You bring 8 down. Because of 6, 2 can divide again. Here is cannot. Here is cannot. You have cannot. We have 3 here. Then cannot. Considering this result, 3 can divide. So here is 1. Here is cannot. Cannot. 1. Here is 5. Then 5 will divide. Here is already 1. You bring it down. Here becomes 1. 1. Here is already 1. You bring it down. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. You stop there. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. That is equal to 60. Then you multiply each fraction by the LCM to convert them to a whole number. The first fraction is 2 over 3 times 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20 times 2. You have 40. The next fraction is 3 over 5 times 60. Divide 60 by 5 is 12 times 3. You have 36. The next fraction is 5 over 12 times the LCM, 60. Divide 60 by 12 is 5 times 5. You have 25. The next fraction is 4 over 15. You multiply it by 60. That is 16. The last fraction is 3 over 10 times 60, and that is 18. For us to arrange in ascending order, which is increasing order, we are going to consider the lowest whole number, that is 16. The fraction that gave 16 is 4 over 15. Okay, So let's take ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, so we have 4 over 15. The next whole number is 18. That is 3 over 10. The next one is 25. That is 5 over 12. The next is 36. That is 3 over 5. And the last one is 40. And you have 2 over 3. By this, the correct option is, let's check for it, that is A. You have A. You see it? Very easy approach.